Is your Oracle apps not working because of the MySQL Data Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. As we prepare to fix MySQL Data Module manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the MySQL Data Module. Similar to MySQL.Data.dll, this is the .NET provider for MySQL. If you see this error in localized software, ensure you have the latest MySQL Connector and NET installed to restore the necessary assembly bridges. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as MySQL Data Module DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with MySQL Data Module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. The version of MySQL Data Module DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for MySQL Data Module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved MySQL Data Module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.